Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Polo Style, finished in the lovely King's Red Metallic in combination with the black mirror caps and the black roof, and it features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS with a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. So the car will go through a workshop before delivery to yourselves and will come with the fantastic approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of this video. Just off at the front of the vehicle, you've got this beautiful LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You have the optionally fitted 17-inch Tortosa alloy wheels as well that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding and heated wing mirrors to the side for extra convenience, as well as privacy guards from the B-pillar backward aiding in sun protection for your rear passengers. You have a generous amount of boot space available with adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting, and split folding seats as well, so plenty of room in there for a couple of suitcases or any further luggage. So move to the interior, you've got the lovely pattern cloth seats there, with ISOFIX points on the outer seats and a couple of power outlets in the back there as well. To the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with a touchscreen infotainment system, an adjustable armrest as well to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, you benefit from full digital display with your assistance systems there as well as your satellite navigation, and as well as digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth. You also benefit from Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This will allow you to mirror apps on your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You also have front and rear parking sensors for that peace of mind whilst parking up. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times, and the optionally fitted winter pack giving you those heated front seats as well.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.